Hey, if you're interested to see what MrsVee is up to, stay tuned. My channel, how's everybody doing? This is MrsVee here today, and I am excited to be bringing you this video. Guess why? Because I am participating in a challenge with the beautiful Heidi Sonboul. And Heidi Sonboul is wonderful here on YouTube because guess what? She's remodeling her entire house, one room at a time. And she came up with this monthly challenge where as she, do one room at a time, she has invited or put out an invitation for anyone who would like to join her to join her. And I decided to join in on the October room of the month. And I'll be collaborating with Heidi and 8 other beautiful ladies here on the screen. And what we will be doing is putting out 4 videos for the month of October every Thursday at 7 p.m. And each week will concentrate on something different pertaining to the room. Okay, I got my notes. So the first week, this video is the first week, October the 3rd. We are to tell what our inspiration is for the room, discuss our budget, and discuss our plans. And the second week, October the 10th, we'll be showing you the process of us making these changes. And the third week is the 17th. We're going to give you a sneak peek of the room, a little teaser. Isn't that fun? And the fourth week is the reveal of the room. Of course, we need to show some before and after pictures. So I was already I'm remodeling my entire house. Not knocking down walls or anything like Heidi, but I'm just giving everything a uplift, if you will. So I was already in the process of redecorating my guest bathroom when I decided to join in. So I will have some before and after pictures, but not a lot, because I kind of jumped in the middle of me redecorating. So as I said, I will be redecorating, remodeling my guest bathroom. And I've already done my guest bedroom. So this is the second room that I'm working on. So it'll be my guest bathroom. And to comply with the rules, my inspiration comes from the guest bedroom. So that's where I get my inspiration from. And my budget, MrsVee, this is my channel is budget friendly. So I'll be doing some very budget friendly things to make changes. It may not be by being budget friendly, it may not be something that will last a long time, but I'm all about saving money. So I have some budget friendly ways to transform your space. And my plans is to redo the countertop. If you've been watching my channel, you've probably seen some of the changes, but I have not showed you everything. I'm going to redo my vanity countertop in the bathroom. I'm going to give the floors a uplift, a upcycling, if you will. And I plan to change out the hardware on the vanity, and I plan to do some of the trim molding around the mirror to give it a uplift, upcycle, or whatever you want to call it. So those are the plans. Those are some of the plans. As I put out a video every Thursday, I'll tell you more and more. But for right now, those are the changes that I'm making right now. The vanity, upcycling the vanity and the floors, trim around the mirror, and changing out the hardware. So that's my budget is to stay under $100 for the entire bathroom. It's not a large bathroom, but I think $100 is a good budget to stay within. So I'm trying to get it as low as I can. I'm really trying to stay under 75, but I'm going to go ahead and be realistic and say 100. So that's it for, this is October the 3rd, week 1. So I have covered the my budget, and my plans. And I will link all of these beautiful ladies' channels in the description box. And I'll also have a link to the playlist. And I want to go ahead and thank Heidi for coming up with this wonderful, collaboration. Even though I was going to go ahead and show each room that I redid, but I think this is a fun way to do it, to collaborate with other individuals who are doing the same thing in their home. We're all making changes, but everyone is sort of kind of doing a different room, so I thought that was fun. And so that's it. hopefully these videos will inspire you to do some redecorating in your home and give you some ideas. You know, my channel focuses on budget friendliness, so I would not be spending a lot of money. I'll show you some ways to cut costs and it still look. I like to have a budget friendly budget, but I still like for my projects to still kind of look high end, or if you will, look professional. I don't want it to look like I cut the cost. So that is always my challenge. So if this is your first time come to my channel, I am MrsVee, and I focus on helping you save money in any aspect of your life, whether it be saving money on home decor, home renovations if I can, groceries, whatever. So this channel focus on saving you money. And if there's something you enjoy and you think you're going to like this content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Comment, like, and share. And hit that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. I do not have a schedule. Sometimes I put out daily. Sometimes I put out weekly. It just depends on my work schedule. So that's going to conclude this video. Thank you in advance, Heidi, for allowing us to join you in on this collaboration. I can't wait to see the playlist because these are some beautiful women. Some of them I'm already acquainted with, and I'm looking forward to getting to know the new friends here on YouTube, new homegirls, as Heidi calls us. Hey homegirls, I like to hear her say that. But anyway, so that's going to conclude this video. Stay tuned next week, and I'll be showing you my process of redecorating, upcycling my guest bathroom. And this is MrsVee. As always, I'm going to continue to show you love. Let me do my love sign. Is that a love? That's a heart. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.